Name up above together, take you in. These beautiful big wooden doors. Just a place called Bonanza Burger. Great for your Bali holiday. So some bags up above there. Some more ladies' clothes. And here's the inside. Some stone figurines. We have a place called Happy Rendang Bali. The menu just by the doorway there. All these are silver and coral. I'm going to show you inside. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in Sanur, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a great collection of new businesses that have just recently opened right here in Sanur. So literally every week as I'm driving up and down the streets here in Sanur, I spot a new business that's opened on some street somewhere here in Sanur. So the object of today's video is to share those new businesses with you, and maybe the businesses that might be of interest to you and you'll want to visit while you're on your holiday here in Sanur. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you the new businesses here in Sanur. Okay, so just on Jalan Poso now, just in the corner here, that's Jalan Tambalingan. We have a place called Together. There's the name up above, Together. Take you in. These beautiful big wooden doors. Just to the left here, a beautiful collection of wooden tables and chairs, soft cushion seating. There's a seating area also here in the back. Fans above. Same on this side. Another beautiful collection of seating in the back there. This is a place called Simplicity Bali. This is on the street of Jalan Poso. The name up above. Just take you around and show you inside. This lady's got a beautiful collection of clothing. I'll just show you here. Just by the window. Paper art here.
What are you looking for?
Hat.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know. Not the song.
Terima kasih.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, bye.
Nice collection of ladies' clothing here. Great for your Bali holiday. So some bags up above there. Some more ladies' clothing in the back. I'll show you some of these beautiful bags as well here. Just here we have another lady's dress. So on the other side we have a nice collection of accessories here. Some hairbands, some necklaces, some bracelets. Beautiful items here. This collection in the window. So over here we have some letters for sale also. So just here on Jalan Poso we have a new INDOMARET convenience store. Just next door to the bar called The Place to Be. Okay, so here on Jalan Poso we have a Japanese restaurant called YAKINIku JOGLO. So this will be heading down towards Jalan Tambalingan, just down the street there. Okay, so So there's the name up above. I think I pronounced that correct. YAKINIKU JOGLO. It's the main entrance. The menu just by the doorway there. Parking for motorbikes if you're coming by motorbike. And then just inside we have a nice collection of wooden tables and chairs. Counter area in the back there. Okay, so just on Jalan and Poso again now. We have a place called Bonanza Burger. It's the name up above there. Just give you a look at the menu before we go inside. There's the name also on the top. Okay, so just off the main street of Jalan and Poso now, on a street called Jalan Ngandang 2, we have a place called HANABI. There's the name up above. Just give you a little bit of a glimpse of the restaurant. Some soups here. Show whether the camera's picking this up. Rice dishes, some sushi, seating here by the roadside. So on this side, just taking you through the main entrance now. Just inside. Okay, so just off the main street of Jalan and Poso on Jalan Ngandang 2, we have a place called Happy Rendang Bali in Pork we Trust. It's the name up above. The opening hours, free Wi-Fi. And just inside we have a nice pink themed seating area. There's a counter area in the back. Okay, so here on Jalan Cemara now, just up the street this way, it'd be Jalan and Tambalingan, Jalan and Poso. This is continuation of Jalan Cemara down to Jalan Sudamala. We have a new silver shop called Number 1 Silver Sanur. So here's the opening hours on the door. The website. Let's take you around and show you inside. Nice big shop here, many silver items available, counter area in the back. And we'll start over here. A nice collection of necklaces here. So some earrings. Beautiful. It's hard to choose what to show you in here because there's many beautiful items, some more necklaces, collection of great items, rings, some nice leather and silver bracelets. The camera doesn't really do these justice. Nice collection of rings here also. And some pendants. Of earrings here. I'll show you these necklaces here also. These are silver and coral. And now will you look at that. Okay, so here on Jalan down the Tambalingen we have a place called Spa Karunia. This is Artisan down the supermarket here, Guardian Pharmacy, Spa Karunia. Show you the price list here. These are all 1 hour packages, very reasonably priced services. Now we'll take you around and show you inside. So here's all your chairs for your leg and foot massage, air conditioned, super cool in here. There's a counter area in the back, and then just over here is for your nail polishes. There's a collection of all the colours there. OPI. Into the back here, this where you can have your body massage all the way along here. Okay, so just across the street here we have a place called Farmer's Coffee. This is a new coffee shop. It's just opposite the Respati Sanur Beach Hotel. Some seating outside here. Take you around and show you inside. There's the opening hours, and then here's the inside. Beautiful seating area inside, nice collection of wooden tables and chairs just by the window there. Nice big table here in the middle, wooden table, wooden chairs, soft cushion seating. Just in the back here we have a nice sofa seating area. Beautiful picture decoration on the wall. There's air conditioning here, super cool. So just here on Jalan down the Tambalingen, a main street in central Sanur, we have Glee Concept. It's next door to Okari and Bread Basket. It's the opening hours. Pull on the door. Nice collection of ladies and men's clothing, and also some home deco goods. Some body oils here, some really funky looking candles, some body mist, some after sun lotions, some beautiful candles, some nice decoration. jewellery available. Nice collection of clothing also here. This is some men's shirts. Some for the kiddies in the back here. Some bikinis. Just back at the front of the shop now, so we have some nice fans there, some candle holders and placemats. Just here we have some beautiful home decorations. Some stone figurines. Just up above we have a nice collection of pillows available. Just next door to Glee Concept for those of you that are looking for property rental or property management here in Bali. We have a new place here called Bali Moves. Okay, so just on Jalan, Danau, and I think this is the biggest pharmacy now in Sanur, or in the main tourist area of Sanur, Kima Pharma Apothec. So just here on Jalan Danau in the Sindhu area of Sanur, we have a place called Mushroom Espresso Bali. This is Jalan Danau, heading to Sindhu Beach. There's the name, Coffee Mushroom Espresso. Some cool seating outside here.